Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Electric food warming mat. Must-have hosting essential. Transform your dining and hosting experience with the roller-up electric food warming mat, the ultimate solution for keeping your meals perfectly warm and ready to serve. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a large gathering, this sleek warming tray provides rapid full-surface heating in just 10 seconds. No more cold food at parties, just consistently delicious dishes kept at the ideal temperature for every occasion. Space-saving, roll-up design. Unlike bulky kitchen gadgets, the roller-up warming mat is designed with modern living in mind. Its flexible, durable silicone material easily rolls up for compact storage, saving you precious counter space. Ideal for on-the-go warmth. Whether you're camping, RV traveling, or setting up a buffet, it's the perfect companion for keeping food warm no matter where life takes you. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Magnetic shelf. Magnetic function this capable of supporting up to 15 kilograms of weight. The magnetic suction feature allows the shelf to be easily attached to any metal surface, such as a refrigerator or a metal shelf, without the need for any additional support. This makes it ideal for use in small kitchens or other spaces where storage is limited. They can easily hold a variety of items, including fruits, vegetables, utensils, and other kitchen accessories, without bending or breaking. Multi-purpose. The best part about this magnetic shelf is its versatility. Use it to store fruits and vegetables in the kitchen, helping keep the food fresh. Additionally, it can be used in the office break room to organize coffee pods, snacks, and sodas. Say goodbye to cluttered spaces and hello to organized living with this magnetic shelf. Food kitchen scale. Supports 5 units, Oz/LB, Oz/FLAS/G/ML, tare function, and includes 2 AAA batteries for hassle-free operation. Accurately weighs up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms with 1G increments. The small and sleek scale is a perfect fit for most kitchens, occupying little space and easily storable in cabinets. Just wipe down the 304 food-grade stainless steel surfaces to keep clean. Backlit LCD screen with large fonts for easy reading. Soup ladle. Your beast friend. From the Ototo studio comes cute and functional Nessie. Scoop from the depths of the pot and serve into bowls of fun with this purple ladle spoon. Nessie, the nifty spoon, always adds a bit of fun into every kitchen. A quirky little treat. Looking for new home gift ideas for your loved ones or funny kitchen gadgets to add to your collection? Nessie ladle design adds the kitsch to every kitchen. Serve soups, gravies, and more with this cute kitchen gadget friend. A Nessie Sari tool. Get crackin' with fun kitchen gadgets like Nessie, your soup ladle friend. This beast can take the heat with its heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe material. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc., for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Safe to use. The cheese grater with handle protects your hands from all sides during use. The handle replaces your hands in rotating, and the food pusher keeps your hands away from the blades. Burger press. Say goodbye to boring burgers. The Grillaholic Stuffed Burger Press. Patty Maker and Burger Stuffer makes it easy to stuff your burger patties with your favorite ingredients. Our hamburger patty press makes mind-blowing burgers that are bursting with flavor. Imagine burgers stuffed with gooey cheese, crispy bacon, grilled onions, and jalapenos, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. Fun and easy to use for the whole family. Our unique Burger Patty Maker design is so easy to use that the whole family can get in on the fun. Your kids will love helping with dinner while they stuff their own burgers full of their favorite ingredients. With our Burger Maker press, making delicious stuffed burger patties is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just press it, stuff it, seal it. You'll be asking yourself why you didn't pick up a Burger Maker sooner. Dish drying mats. Maintain a perpetually clean and organized countertop. The exquisite design of our drying mat transforms it into more than just a functional product. It becomes a captivating decoration that accentuates the elegant taste of the homeowner, adding a touch of brilliance to every corner of your home. Thicker and reversible. Our silicone dish drying mat for kitchen counter features a robust and reversible design. The increased thickness and raised texture provide excellent support for items such as bowls, plates, cups, and drain racks, preventing any collapse. The enhanced thickness also ensures greater durability and resistance to tearing. With its reversible design, you can save cleanup time and maintain a dry bottom surface on the kitchen drying mat. Nakiri knife. All-purpose nakiri knife. The classic 7-inch kitchen knife is flexible for all kinds of heavy-duty preps like slicing, dicing, chopping, and mincing. A truly all-around cooking knife is easy to resharpen, clean, and maintain. Ultra-sharp edge. The blade of potting cleavers is made of 5CR15 move stainless steel, not real Damascus, with 56+ hardness. The razor-sharp cutting edge allows you to cut foods effortlessly. All the world-renowned cutlery brands adopt the same steel, which is rust-proof and durable for long-time use. Ergonomic handle. The ergonomic shape perfect balances the handle, and the thin blade at the pinch point ensures the ease of movement. The soft pakkawood handle is integrated with the Japanese nakiri knife's blade, creating comfortable grip. Cheese grater. Comfortable to use and built to last. The hand grater has a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that won't rust and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Its unique curved sides make it extremely rigid and allow you to apply more force when it's needed. Save space in the kitchen and drawer. Replace your bulky, unsafe, and hard-to-clean box grater, cheese grater electric, cheese grater with container or heavy electric food processor with a single-desk classic zester grater and food shredder. The metal Parmesan cheese grater teeth won't clog up the way other graters for kitchen do, so it's a snap to clean. Just pass your cheese grater under running water. Improve your cooking. Amaze your friends with new, restaurant-like recipes. Add strong new flavors with fresh lemon zest without any bitter pith taste. When using the chef zester with hard cheeses such as Parmesan, you'll get a nice pile of grated cheese that melts almost instantly on hot pasta.